Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the bedtime mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, you should see a bunch of icons. And by default, you won't see the bedtime icon here. You will need to scroll down, tap on edit button, then scroll down through this menu. Come on, scroll down and find the bedtime mode icon. Looks like this, like the bed. And to add it, tap on it, then tap on OK. And as you can see now, it was added to the quick panel. And now to enable the bedtime mode, you can simply tap on this icon, tap on the check mark to confirm, and it will say do not disturb mode on, sleep mode is on, and the icon will change the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. You will also see the icon at the top of the watch face, and that indicates that the mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, open the quick panel, scroll down and tap on the icon. You will see the message sleep mode off and do not disturb mode off. The icon will go back to gray color and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the bedtime mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.